Hello guys, welcome to the new edition. Today we are going to see how to solve some problem or some mode problem using square and multiply algorithm. So we are going to take a simple problem like for example we have 5 to power of 20 mode 15. This is our problem that we have at hand. So we want to see how to solve this problem using the square and multiply algorithm. So as you can see, this is a very huge number, so which cannot even be easily computed using your calculator, or talk less of you using hands. Okay, so but we are going to use a pretty nice and simple method in order to solve this problem. First, we have some stages that you have to undergo in solving this problem. The first stage here is to convert this 20, that's the power, into binary. So we're gonna convert it to using this way. We have 20 here, we have 2, so we say 2 into 20 is 10, remainder 0. Then 2 into 10 is 5, remainder 0. Then we have 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1. Then 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. Then we have 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So we're going to collect our numbers from down to up, where we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is equivalent to 20 in base 2. Now, the next step is to now use some acronyms. So in order to help us solve these problems. So now we're gonna use some acronyms like, for example, we're gonna use Q, okay, QM to represent 1. Wherever we see 1, we will just remove it and put QM. And we're going to use Q to represent 0. So wherever we see 0, we use Q instead of it. So this is step 2. Then the step 3 here is to use we're going to use some values like we're going to use square, okay, to represent Q. Okay, wherever we see Q, then we remove it and put 2 square. Then we're going to use star X to represent M. Okay, this star X can be any value in the base. For here in our work, 5 is our star, our X. So you see, like for example here we have X to power of 20 mod 15. So in this case, 5 is our X here. So you take note of that, please. So now you start your work. First, you need to spread your numbers, that is your binary numbers. So like we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so you have QM to represent 1. Wherever you see QM, 1, you remove it and put M. Wherever you see 0, you remove it and put Q. Wherever it is, you should KM. This should be Q, and this should be Q also. Okay, yeah. So now next item is to wherever we see Q, we represent it with square. So therefore here we have 1 square, right? So wherever we have M, we represent it with X, star X. In our case, 5 X5. Okay, star 5. So now we have star 5. Okay, so we close bracket. Then we have Q is represented with square, so therefore we just put square on it. So we close on the bracket because here we also have a q, so therefore we close on the bracket, and q is represented with square again. We're gonna put it here, so we have m. So m is what? Star 5. Okay, so we're gonna put star 5 here. Okay, so we close bracket, so because we have a q in front of it, so therefore we're gonna put square here. So we have another q, so close bracket, put square again. Okay, so how many bracket do we close? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna open 4 brackets here to complete it, to make it. So we are opening, so we need to close it also. So this is the first step. So we're gonna simplify before we now work with our module. Now here obviously here is 1. Okay, any number raised to the power of 1 raised to the power of any number is still 1. So here we have 5. Okay, this square is affect 5, so we have 5 square, close bracket, star 5, close bracket, star square, close bracket, square, close bracket, open bracket. Okay, whatever you call it. Okay, all right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is this step. So now okay, we gonna now see. Okay, remember we are function, our question is 5 to the power of 20 mod 15. So we're gonna use mod 15 inside the bracket also, but here to minimize the work we just use it in within the numbers there, that is 5, where we have the numbers, that is 5. So here we have 5 square mod 15. Okay, okay, I think we gonna, okay, no problem. So this we don't need this one here anyway. So we have this one, right? This one will give us square. Okay, star 5 mod 15. Okay, so we have square here, we have another square here. All right, so now we're gonna close these 2 brackets, 1, 2. Okay, so now we now simplify this. Okay, okay, now we simplify this. So here we have this, so we have to simplify this. 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Okay, 25 mod 15. Okay, we have square here, we have star 5 mod 15 square. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here this 25 mod 15, so you're going to calculate this 25 mod 15. It will be like 25 divided by 15, which will be 1 remainder 10, so it is 10. So we going to use 10 here, mod 15. Okay, square, star 5 mod 15 square, square, close, and that close again. Cool. All right. So here we have this. So mark you, we have another square outside waiting. So this will be 10 square mod 15. Okay, then star 5 mod 15, then close close square. We have 2 more bracket left over. Okay, so here 10 to the power of 2 will give us 100 mod 15 star 5 mod 15 square, then square, close. Okay, so 100 mod 15, just like to see 100 divided by 15, which will give you will be 6 remainder 10. Okay, all right, so it will be 6 remainder 10. Very good. So now we're going to use this 10 instead of 100. Mod 10 mod 15 star 5 mod 15 square. So here this this we can say, we can bring them together and say 10 star, or 10 times whatever the case may be, 10 star 5 mod 15, then square, close. So here we have 10 times 5 is 50. Okay, so we have 50 mod 15 square. Okay, so here 50. Now we have 50. Okay, this is the same thing to say 50 divided by 15, which will be 3 remainder 5. 15 will go into 53 times, and we have 5 as our remainder. Okay, so so here we replace 50 with 5 mod 15 square. Okay, we're going to now bring this square inside. So here we have 5 square mod 15 close bracket square. All right, so here 5 square, already we have computed something like this before, which is 5 square here is will give us 25, and 25 mod 15 is what, 10. So we're gonna use this 10 here. So we have 10 mod 15, which is we have square outside. So 10 mod 16. So we kind of bring this inside, which will give us 10 square. Okay, 10 square mod 15. So 10 square obviously is 100 mod 15, and we know 100 mod 15 is the same as 10 mod 15, and so therefore final answer is equals to 10. So this is how to use square and multiply algorithm to solve similar question problem. So please, if you like this video, uh, just kindly click on subscribe for my for my next videos, inshallah. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.